All right, now, so let's take a look at what's happening with other markets there. We see the crypto space, still a lot of sell-offs in that market, and we see the sentiment talking about how investors are feeling in the market. We see it's 48 points. It's moved away from that 50-point mark. Still neutral, even though we did touch greed sometime in January and February, but now we're back to neutral at this point. It looks like neutral, that level, we're losing that level fast at this point. Let's look at the market cap. This morning, $1.02 trillion, going lower, trying to get below that $1 trillion mark. With the way it's looking, we've lost a lot of ground within above the 1 trillion mark. Volume traded, that's down 2.26%. We see Bitcoin dominance, 42.46%, just adding about 0.31%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin this morning, $22,410, down 0.03%. We still see the sell-offs from last week, still weighing on the market today. Volume traded $13.8 billion. That's for Bitcoin, still with the sell-offs. Look at Ethereum now, lost that 1,600 level. So all eyes on the 1,500 levels, down 0.46%. Volume, low volume this morning, $4.81 billion. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now, financial market analyst. Hello, Rume. Good morning.
Good morning, Laddie. Good morning.
Yeah, brand new week, Rume, but it looks like the same issues that weighed on the market last week. Silvergate, looks like it's still, the market has not shrugged that off yet.
Yeah, the market is still struggling with a couple of things. In fact, a lot of them are going to also come in the weeks ahead. People should be very, very careful. Like I've always said here, I don't like to sound like a breakout bad news, but the truth is that we saw the market drop about 5% as a result of the Silvergate challenges last week. But Bitcoin will continue to fall in the weeks ahead, considering the fact that the financial market is going down in some sort, although there was some kind of hope from China, but it's not looking really exact now because Chairman Powell is laying ground for a higher Fed rate. The Silvergate has actually plummeted in the stock about 60%, which is a crypto-based bank, as we've seen, and this is affecting a lot of companies. A lot of companies are coming to say that they're no longer going to accept transfers of US dollar to their exchange platforms. Some of them are cutting ties. You can see Bybit actually did that, said they're going to commence that on the 10th of March. But there's something significant. I think Binance did that earlier in January. And a couple of exchange platforms. And Silvergate actually delayed filing their annual report to the SEC. The thing I actually wanted to say is that we should be careful very soon because remember Mt. Gox, a crypto exchange platform that went down, I think about 2014. They are going to be paying out very soon and paying out Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And obviously, a lot of people are going to sell. Imagine by then, I think around then, Bitcoin was about $600. Now Bitcoin went to 69, 68. Now it's 22. And if you bought Bitcoin then about 600, and they are paying out dividends for
that means you've made a pretty penny if you bought at that time. Definitely.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and people are going to be selling, obviously. So
we can expect diamond hands at that point.
Yeah, exactly. Well, people are going to be selling that because they're going to be paying them their money after holding their money for a very long time. So it is not wise.
Rumi, I won't lie to you. I would like my funds to be held, like that, buying so cheap and, helping me hold to these highs. That's quite good. I'm not gonna lie.
That's quite good. That's quite good, laddie. But the truth is that why would you hold like that when the market has the possibility of even going down? You can as well remove into cash. Then when it goes down and flip, so it makes more.
Maybe buy some of the dip, right? Okay.
Exactly.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. But I'm not a holder. I didn't buy at 600.
But not an investment advice, because
no,
the truth is
no.
We have to
Exactly. All right, we'll keep watching it. Definitely volatility expected, this week in the market. So just find a way to play it safe, I guess, at this point. Thank you so much, Rume Ofi, financial market analyst.
Thank you very much, Lanny. It's a pleasure.
All right, so if you look at the top alts by market cap, we see it's all red. It's all red, continuing the sell-offs we saw last week there with XRP, the biggest downer there, 2.66%. That's what shed off the price there, 36 cents. Might be losing that 30-cent level, going forward. If we look at the top gainers counter, what do we see there? We see for the top gainers, we see it's CFX there, Conflux there, leading the counter, 6.56%, 20 cents. It's had quite an incredible run, after its launch, talking about the China coins at this time. Anyway, that's how the crypto market is looking. We're still seeing a lot of volatility in that market, and it is expected that volatility will continue this week. That's it for the markets, and that's a wrap on the program today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join us at 1:30 on Business Incorporated for more updates and developments in the world of business. And you can watch this again on our YouTube channel. Just flip over to YouTube, check our videos, and you can watch all our productions. Have a profitable week ahead. It's still very early days. I'm Ladi Williams. Bye for now.